and peer pressure to comply with the Blue Code of Silence. If they don't comply, they're considered outsiders and are punished by not receiving raises, promotions, or even get demoted. So what happens? The majorities have crumbled and have no choice but to give in. It is a fact that the Blue Code of Silence among police officers is more powerful than anyone can ever imagine. Let me give you an example. Currently, the NYPD is under investigation because their officers are speaking up and coming forward, saying that they... And I will close this by saying all lives matter. But at this point, it don't matter equally. That the problem in the justice system. Therefore, as my mother, I will remain undone until my job is done.
We need to